We're working on the phrasal verb follow through in English. Follow through means to complete a task or an action that was started or promised. Oftentimes, it refers to a commitment or a plan that is fully executed. Let's look at a few examples now of how follow through is used when speaking English. In the workplace, she always follows through with her projects, making sure every detail is perfect. In sports, in tennis, it's important to follow through after hitting the ball for better control. In personal commitments, he said he'd help me with the move, but he didn't follow through. In business, if you want your clients to trust you, it's crucial to follow through on your promises. As you can see in these examples, follow through refers to fulfilling an action, a commitment, or a plan. For more help with phrasal verbs, make sure to take a look in the description below where I have included my playlist for phrasal verbs in English.